Hello students, problem number 12 again from the potential assignment as a doubt. Question number 12 read कर सकते हो आप from the assignment which was I think forwarded to you through WhatsApp and also in front of you on the screen. Question number 12. I will briefly explain again. It's like there is a planet, some other planet, there are some other planet, and on that planet apart from the gravity there is electric field present. जैसे अर्थ पर सिर्फ ग्रेविटी का इफेक्ट है, एक दूसरा कोई प्लैनेट है जहाँ पर ग्रेविटी भी है और सब साथ में वहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी है. तो सपोज वी हैव सम हाइपोथेटिकल और मे बी रियल प्लैनेट. ठीक है, कोई प्लैनेट है और उस प्लैनेट पर ऑन दैट प्लैनेट देयर इज ग्रेविटी जी, ऑल्सो देयर इज सम स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ई. ग्रेविटी भी है और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी है. नाउ ऑन दैट प्लैनेट we throw an object, we throw a particle from the surface of planet, we throw a particle of say mass m, and let's say we throw the particle with certain speed v naught. So we have a particle of mass m, we throw the particle with speed v naught, and this particle will initially move upward and then finally come back to the starting point. It will initially move upward and then it will come back to the starting point. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको ये बता रखा है that it hits the ground, the particle hits the ground after an interval of 4.10 second. So what is this 4.10 second? This 4.10 second is actually the time which the particle take from ground to the highest point and then from the highest point to the ground. Now क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा काइनेमेटिक्स के अगर एंगल से आप सॉल्व करना चाहो, थ्रू काइनेमेटिक्स वी कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. लॉजिक जो यहाँ पर लगने वाला है वो ये दैट अगर इस पार्टिकल को टोटल टाइम, लेट्स से दैट टोटल टाइम विच इज 4.10 सेकेंड, लेट डिनोट इट बाय कैपिटल टी. So if it takes capital T seconds from the beginning and till it come back at the same point, if it takes capital T time from here to reach at the top point and then from the top point to this point again, यहाँ से हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर जाना है और हाईएस्ट पॉइंट से वापस इस पॉइंट पर आना है, और ये टोटल टाइम अगर कैपिटल T है एंड G एंड E बोथ आर यूनिफॉर्म, तो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ काइनेमेटिक्स. Under uniform acceleration, if you travel for a certain displacement from initial velocity to the zero velocity, and then if you come back the same displacement under the same accelerations, the time of travel, that is the time of upward journey, is equals to the time of downward journey, and that means it will take t by 2 seconds to reach at the top point. And let's say that top point is at a height of capital H. Let's say that top point is at a height of capital H. So we know the value of capital T now. We know the value of capital T, and now I will use the first equation of kinematics. Because of the uniform accelerations, I can use here V equals to U plus A into T. And let's say the upward direction is positive and the downward direction is negative. This is my sign convention for this particular problem. So what is V here? The journey starts from this point with velocity V naught, and the journey is over at this point. The journey is over at this point where the velocity will become 0. So therefore the final velocity is 0, initial velocity V naught. Now the acceleration will be, this is according to Newton's law. Now what is the acceleration? In order to know the acceleration, we must focus on the forces which are acting on this particle, and the forces which are acting on this particle are as follows. The forces on the particle: 1, force of gravity mg, and since the particle has a charge q also and there is some electric field, so another force on the same particle will be because of this charge and the electric field, and that force is also in the downward direction QE. So there are two forces on the particle, one is the force of gravity mg and the other one is the force of electric field QE. Since both forces are in the same direction, total force will be mg plus QE, and mg plus QE is our total force. If I divide it by the mass m as per the Newton's second law, I can get the value of acceleration A. And remember, this acceleration A is in the downward direction and therefore a negative value. So जो यहाँ पर acceleration A है उसकी जगह पर हम क्या पुट करेंगे, तो now in place of A you will write the minus and minus of this mg plus QE divided by m, and this time which is the time from initial point to the highest point, and that time is half of total time. That means अगर ये 4.10 है तो t by 2 की वैल्यू होगी, t by 2 is 2.05. Now from this equation, the purpose of this equation is to get the value of E. So मैं इसको यहाँ पर आपके लिए लीव करता हूँ कि आप इसे सिंप्लीफाई करें और कैपिटल E की वैल्यू सॉल्व की जाए. अगर हम यहाँ से कैपिटल E की वैल्यू को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, जो कि आ जाएगा, बिकॉज इसको अगर सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, नेगेटिव फैक्टर उस तरफ चला जाएगा, एंड एक सिंपल सी कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद मुझे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E सॉल्व हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. फॉर दैट देयर इज अनदर कंसेप्ट. वी हैव इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. दिस इज माई क्वेश्चन. वी हैव इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E in the downward direction, and in that electric field we have 2 points, one which was the starting point and other which was the topmost point. One was the starting point and the other was the topmost point. And if h is the distance, if this separation is d, we can find this d also. We can find the value of d. We can find the value of d from the third equation of kinematics. From the third equation of kinematics we can find the value of d, because when the particle starts with velocity v naught, initial velocity हो गई, and it stops at the highest point, that means its final velocity is 0. So if I apply the third equation, which is v square equals to u square plus twice of as, then we have 0 on the left hand side because the particle stops. We have a v naught square, and this a is a negative value, so minus 2. Now again a is mg plus QE divided by m times capital S, and that capital S is actually same as d. This d is our capital S. So d which is capital S, now उसको सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पर. सो अब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम यहाँ से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और d हम यहाँ से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, और जब मुझे ये दोनों वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगे, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड डिस्टेंस d, then I have a concept which is relation between the electric field and potential difference in a uniform electric field. We know that when the electric field is uniform, then the potential difference is, so मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, एंड मैं फाइनल आंसर की तरफ आ रहा हूँ. Whenever E is uniform, we know that the potential difference between the 2 points is a product of electric field and the separation between those 2 points, and this separation d must be along or parallel to the electric field. So our electric field is vertical and this separation d is also vertical. So E we have obtained from this first step. At the first step electric field वहाँ से solve करी है, and this d from the second step, and now इस E और D को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग जो पूछा गया है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, वो आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 फ्रॉम द असाइनमेंट, एंड सॉल्यूशन आपके सामने है फॉर योर रेफरेंस. एक बार इसको सॉल्व करेंगे एंड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज़ आप अपने एंड पर खुद ही ट्राई करेंगे.